Guys, so I got this product to review, and this power chair is absolutely fantastic. So I'm an occupational therapist and I deal with power wheelchairs almost every day, and this is extremely accessible. It's really lightweight. This is very easy for a caregiver to help assist with getting the seatbelt on if need be. It's very easy to adjust, and it can be fitted right to you. It comes with 2 batteries, so that way if something goes wrong with this, you could always swap it out for the other battery that you have. The arms are adjustable, so you can bump them up, so that way if you need access to get out of it, you can transfer out this way, or you can transfer out the other way right here. The control panel right here, you can see that there are spots here, so that way you can turn this and move it so that it's customized, so that way it's comfortable for you. In addition to that, you can also swap it so that it goes on the other side as well. So if an individual has an issue with one side of the body or their arm, you can swap the controls to the other, so that way it's accessible. Now the cushion is really comfortable, and it comes with a foot plate as well. If you don't want the foot plate on, you can bump it up and keep that out of the way. It also has a bag down here as well. So this bag can be used for groceries, or it could even be used for carrying your extra battery with the charger as well. If you have other needs as well, you can carry your sock aid, you can carry your shoehorn, you can carry a box of tissues if need be. Controls are right here on the side of the wheelchair. The knob here is really comfortable. It's a silicone-based control knob, and it's very easy to move, the joystick. You can power it on and off right here. When it powers on, you'll hear it beep, and this displays the battery life right here on this side. When it's fully charged, you'll find 2 green all the way up at the top, and when it's starting to die, you'll see that it's red. To control the speed, you'll either press the button that has 2 lines or 4 lines right up here at the top. The one with 4 lines means increased speed. So you have 5 different speed settings, and this thing takes off. You can really move with this thing on speed number 5. This actually has a battery life of 30 miles, so you can go really far with this thing. I can definitely tell you that this cushion on the chair is very comfortable, and the back pad that's on this too is comfortable as well. This is adjustable and can come off, and on the back here there are multiple straps that are on the back with Velcro, and those straps are to give you more back support. So if you want this a little bit more so that you're more leaning back and concave, you can actually do that by loosening up those straps. And if you wanted to make it more so that you're upright, you'll just make them really tight, so that way you are more in an upright position. This chair does have the option to change out the cushion if you wanted to. And with that being said, you can get different cushions like saddle cushions or Roho cushions. Whatever your needs are, this chair will be able to accommodate it. But I definitely really like this wheelchair. This is very stylish. I like the color on it, and it's not too large. So I can easily go off-roading here on the grass, no problem. And then I can re-enter the sidewalk right here. So once again, I really like the features of this wheelchair. It can do a lot for you. It can go on-road, it can go off-road, you can take it with you grocery shopping. It's got storage capacity, so you can take items with you. It's got a long mileage rate, so you can go 30 miles with this. In addition to that, it's really comfortable. My bottom has not hurt while I've been in this for this duration of testing out of this chair. So I would definitely recommend this power wheelchair. This is a great device, so check it out.